Transmission system operators, TSOs, need to manage their assets to plan for changes and predict sudden unplanned failures. High voltage transformers are one such asset, which need to be replaced within dozens of years of utilization. The cooling oil present in the transformer, as shown in the flow sheet here, is known to degrade over time and need to be refueled. In this project, we've used legacy data from a large European TSO and developed a hybrid data simulation model that predicts the degradation of the oil and therefore the remaining useful lifetime, known as RUL, of the transformer itself. The data collected and displayed over 20 years consists of oil temperature and electricity load. To this, we have added the ambient temperature to draw an idea about the heat transfer within the seasons. Once the data collected, transferred together with some maintenance data to the data analytics, we could then create several machine learning models as needed. The model in question is a combination of sensor data and analytics. Since not all the required sensor data is available, we could use machine learning to reproduce the missing data. And these are all achieved within this tab here. We could, for instance, select one of the different models, for example, within the digital twin. Let's take a scenario model, which actually needs as an input the load change and temperature in the oil. And then we would also infer it manually, meaning if we change the load percentage or change the temperature, the remaining useful lifetime is updated. Now, let's have a look at the Insight Hub. It summarizes the various KPIs of the main transformer for the period selected here, oil temperature from the date we've started using the data, the load, and the ambient temperature. We could go to the aging, and this is the most important KPI. And here the aging, we could see what's a hotspot temperature during this period of time. And this is a combination of machine learning and analytics. Besides the hotspot temperature, we could also predict the paper water concentration. Again, a combination of analytics and machine learning. Resulting out of the hotspot and the paper water concentration is a degree of polymerization, dP. Final result is a so-called health index, HI. That is, from the beginning, when the oil is placed new and how does it degrade over long time. Depending on the limit the user would like to set, that tells actually what is the remaining useful lifetime. 2040 is the date where the entire transformer has to be replaced.